City Mouse and Country Mouse. Once in a field, not too far away, a mouse from the town came to visit one day. "Hello," said his cousin, "you came all this way. Come sit down and eat, we've got dinner today." They munched on some peas and a kernel of corn. The town mouse looked puzzled, a bit full of scorn. "This food," said the mouse, "is so dull, it's no treat. Come visit my home, we've got plenty to eat." So off they both went, through the field, down the road, to a house in the city, a mousy abode. They crept to the cupboard and what did they see? Some jam and some pasta, and rice, wee hee hee. There's cheese in a box and a jar full of jelly. Some apples, some crackers, and meat for the belly. The country mouse gasped, "This is better by far." He licked up a crumb from a cookie in a jar. But bang! Went the door, a cook walked in fast. The mice ran and scurried, they had to dash past. They zipped to a hole in the wall, what a fright! The country mouse trembled, his whiskers turned white. "Are you okay?" said the town mouse with care. "This kind of thing happens, but don't you despair." When quiet returned, they crept out again, and found a big cellar with cheese in a pen. "There's meat and big grapes, and a cake in a pot. Now tell me," he grinned, "is this boring or not?" But just as the country mouse spotted some cheese, he ran to go bite it, then froze at the knees. "Stop!" shouted town mouse, "don't nibble. Don't tap. That cheese is a trick, it's a mousetrap." The country mouse blinked. His heart gave a thump. His tail shook with fear and he sat with a slump. "This food is exciting, but danger is near. I miss my small dinners with no need for fear. I'd rather have peas with the breeze in the trees, than cookies and cats and the risk of a squeeze." So home he returned, feeling happy and free. For sometimes a little is best, don't you see? You don't need a feast with a scary surprise, just food and good friends and a bright, peaceful sky. Better a little with peace, than a lot with fear.